Tyler he's a Gengar collector. He wants the Legendary Collection Holo Gengar PSA 8. Really hard card to find. We are picking up 3 raw cards. Groudon, slightly played condition, and near mint, Arceus and Typhlosion, and $80 cash. Thank you, boss. Appreciate it. Enjoy the card. Thank you, man. How's it, brah?
How's it, my brother? Hey, honestly, I was just telling your fiance, maybe next time you guys come on.
Oh, what's up, man? How you doing? Okay, let's check. What's market on this? Trevor, Brandon, what's market?
150? What was that, 150?
100?
Yeah, 100?
30 bucks?
What was it?
It's 200.
200?
Yeah.
I need to flip you.
How much?
I need to regain my honor. You see?
What? I'm trying to think. Was your name Victor? No. What was your name?
Keone.
Keone. Okay.
Yeah, 200.
You're like, that's not Hawaiian enough, bro.
10.
Okay.
200. We did last time.
Yeah, it's 204.
204? Yeah, what? I know.
200, 208.
Yeah.
Coin flip.
No, double. Yeah. Oh, $4.
Yeah.
175, 225.
How about 170, 230 to make it round number?
All right.
Is that fair?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got this?
Keone coin flip for the beautiful Pikachu.
Yes, sir. That's good.
Yes, sir. West side, best side. All right, let's go. He's like, no, I'm an east side, bro. Where's my coin?
See that weighted coin, brother?
Weighted coin time. Heads, tails.
Right.
If you win, you only pay 170.
Yeah.
If you lose, 230.
230.
Give me that 110%, baby. Let's go.
Yeah. Heads.
Goated Pulls!
I'll see you next year, you fucking.
Am I 2-0 against you?
Jesus.
That's 2-0, right?
Yeah, it's 2-0.
All right, thank you, boss.
Appreciate you, though.
The Crown Zenith Trio Dogs going out for 420 cash to Auntie. No flip. Respect the Auntie. Thank you, Auntie. All right, we're gonna use Auntie's money to cook you now.
35.
33, 34, best flip. Yes, sir. Cash. I literally only have like 6 or like.
Okay, just 34th Street then.
Oh, this guy. No, I gotta flip you. 33, 34.
No,
Okay, just because I like you. Hey, just because I like you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 3350, 3400. Fair? Cash.
30 what?
3350, 3400. Cash. Hurry up, he says. All right. Say hi to the camera again. All right, coin flip for the Sequential World Pikachu promo set. We actually sold some of these to Max Holloway earlier. So we're gonna get the full Sequential set from Mr. Justin, coin flip 3400, 3350. This is one of the smallest flips ever, but we do it for you, bro. Heads, tails. Ready? Call in the air.
Tails.
Yes! Oh, you said tail, that's heads. He's celebrating Golden Pulse. 40, okay? What do you want to do, like 0 or 80?
Yeah.
Or 30 or 50 or 20 or 60 or whatever you want off $40. 30 or 50, okay. What was your name, bro?
Dax.
Dax?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna coin flip with Dax. He's got a damaged Aerodactyl and a Kingdra GX. 30 or 50 bucks.
Sure.
Heads, tails. It's a good binder copy, I guess.
Yeah.
Because normally it's like 150 or 200.
Yeah, no one wants to spend that much on your big copy.
Yeah. Good luck, bro.
Tails.
You got it. W. Yes, sir. Thank you. 50 bucks. My pleasure. This is actually pretty clean for this card.
Yeah. No, I have one in the raw.
They're pretty cooked.
No, you want to see mine?
Is it clean?
Yeah.
This is actually a decent 10 copy because the centering is not bad. I've seen a lot of 10s that are off center and have more whitening.
A little bit off center, like right.
The centering is what makes people not get a 10.
Oh.
They usually care about the centering on it because most of these all have whitening.
Okay, makes sense.
That one's like 1800.
And then how much is this one?
That one's like around 1900. Almost the same price. This is 18. This is like 1880 or something.
Really long. Yeah. I've been trying to.
I mean, you have enough trade or whatever.
This art is 1900, and then I have 1,000 left.
I mean, these two are bigger cards. I'm literally losing on these cards. I could do 400 cash if you want. Yeah. I'll flip you 4 or 5. You want to do that? Okay.
It's crazy, guys. I posted on my story and someone was like, can I buy that? And I was like, bro.
What, this?
Yeah, I was like, it's fine. I told him he wants to do payment plan.
Oh, yeah.
Payment plan?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
After pay.
Dude, I did a payment plan for someone before.
Really?
On a $150 card.
That's crazy.
Hey, 12 weeks.
All right. What was your name, boss?
Orlando Astro.
Orlando?
Yeah.
Astro? Okay. Orlando or Astro is going to give us this Poncho Shiny Rayquaza 10. He's going to take Umbreon V, Solgaleo Lunala, Charizard, Mega Charizard EX, the Sequential Mega Gardevoir set, Cynthia's Garchomp, Lugia, Mega Sableye Tyranitar, Ho-Oh EX, Mega Latios EX, and the Rayquaza VMAX. And I'm gonna give him cash, either 400 or 500 on top. You got some nice cards. Pick probably some of the most liquid stuff I got. All right, boss, ready? Let's prep the cash for you.
Let me keep my guard up.
Oh yeah, sure, here you go. If you win 400, if you win 500, if you lose 400, cash to you. Good luck, call in the air.
Tails.
Give me heads, baby! Fuck. 500.
Astro Pulse.
Thank you, boss. Pleasure.
Bro.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Cheers. Do you want the guard or you don't want the guard? If you don't want the guard, I'll do 850, 950.
Okay, no guard.
Okay. 850, 950?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it. All right, so where's your stuff? This stuff, right?
Yeah.
Your name again, brother? Comma?
Yeah, lazy breaks.
Okay. Mr. Lazy Breaks, comma, right there. No, that's Bubba's toy box. That one.
Yeah. They're all family.
He's trading in Dragonite, Umbreon, Mega Lucario, and Pikachu Raw, Japanese Giratina, Eevee Snorlax, Tyranitar, Celebi, Houndoom, Arcanine, Mewtwo Mew, Articuno Tag Team, and Eevee Snorlax. He's gonna get the beautiful Mega Charizard, PSA 10, and I'm either gonna give you 850 cash or 950 cash. All right. There is so much going on here. This is crazy. All right, ready, bro?
Yeah.
Head, call in the air. Heads or tails?
The nose! Let's go!
GG's.
Let's go! Let's go!
Oh, this is not his.
This is mine. This is 3,800. Really nice if you want.
Nice. The English one is more.
Oh yeah, that's like 30K each. Oh, this is a banger. Pop 69, like 15 grand. Lowest listed is 30K. That's a Mega Grail. That's my most expensive card apart from Mario. I just got these. I'm gonna crack them and regrade. They're gonna PSA 10.
You know?
I mean, look at them.
You just know the guys from PSA.
I slide them with a little 50. I'm like, Bugga's mean, huh? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
West side, best side. Let's go, bro. I mean, I could take him at PSA 10, but like PSA 10 is like way less than that. This is like 7.5K.
Don't worry about that. We'll just see what you have.
Okay,
Just
I mean,
you know
yeah. I'm at like, so I'd be at market 7,600 market, and this one market 9K. So market, and then percent towards that.
Yeah, you check market.
Okay.
So it looks like you're gonna have to give me more.
I mean, maybe. What's market on that? Like 9K? This one, the highest sale is 800. It's like on average like 700. 700? Check, dude, show them the comps.
Then we're going with the 800, not the
Why would I go with the highest comp? I know 9 Blastoise. I'll flip you. Okay. I'll flip you 20,500 or 21,000. So like $500 down from my point, if you want. So like 20.
You make the call, man. She's gonna make the call.
20,500 or 21,000.
21.
21K or 20,500. Cash my way. You give me these packs, the Latios, this, and these two, and I give you these 3.
Yeah.
You want to call in the air?
No, right there.
Where's the coin?
That's the call.
You want to do a regular coin? He's scared.
Oh, you might have messed up your wife.
He's scared. He just beat me on my own coin. He doesn't believe in the Menehune spirits. Careful not to carry pork on Poly Highway. They're gonna come after you.
Yeah, just drive it port.
Yeah, the Menehune is gonna
Pork with
you.
That deserves 500 bucks right there.
All right, let me show the camera what we're doing.
Hey, Paulie.
All right, Bubba's Toy Box back with a big deal. He's taking Poncho Charizard X and full art Mario and Luigi. This is a $43,000 deal, chat. In exchange, we are receiving. Excuse me, my love.
Oh, you gotta add the graded guard price. Add the graded guard price.
We are getting art set of Unbroken Bonds packs and an art set of Team Up packs and big slabs. We're getting Blastoise PSA 9, Plasma Storm. Latios PSA 10. No, you're not. And we're getting Poncho Charizard and Poncho Magikarp BGS 10s. I'll give you regular guards for those. I trust. 20,500, 21,000. Ready? Where's the coin?
Let's go.
Ready? Call in the air. Heads. This is such a small coin. Tails. Feels like a penny compared to my coin. Is she calling? Good luck. Is that tails? That's tails. Goated Pulls. 21K, baby. All right, let me get you some guards. This one, I'm at like, you said cash, right, bro? You want to flip? I'd be at 1,400, 1,500 flip. That's 80% basically. Market, last sold is actually 1,700.
Does a swirl add any value or not?
Usually I pay like 70 to 75. I'm doing 80.
Do 14 or 16?
I'll do, I said 14 or 15. I'll do 1450, 1550 if you want.
Oh, thank you.
That's the same middle point.
Okay. See you guys.
Later, bro. Or just 1,500 bucks, no flip.
Anyway, you could do 15, 50, no flip.
You said 14 or 16 flip, right? I mean, 1,500 is the middle point of that. I'd rather just run the 14, 16 flip if you want to just do it. You want to do 1,400, 1,600 coin flip? That's what you offered, I think. Yeah? What was your name, bro?
George.
George? All right, coin flip with George for this Dark Charizard PSA 10 Japanese with a little swirl on top. 1,400, 1,600 cash. Ready, boss?
Yep. Oh, can you record it on my phone?
Sure, sure. All right, boss, ready? All right, coin flip with George, Dark Charizard, 1,400, 1,600. Good luck, boss. That's heads, that's tails. Call in the air.
Heads.
Give me tails, baby. Oh, you got me cooked. 1,600. All right, let's go. There you go, boss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you. Pleasure. All right, boss. You wanted to sell those?
Trade those.
Trade? What did you want?
Whatever I get to.
Okay.
I do like these though. Actually.
Okay. There's 3 of these. That's cute, actually. Look at that. That's cool. Never seen that before. This is actually really cool. To go with these 3 surfing Pikas. There's one comp at 345 before. It's like 280, 240, 260, 260, 250.
Yeah, the high comp kind of saved me on this. I'm serious. You know Pikachu.
Yeah, I know. It's just I couldn't comp it at 345.
Where do you want to be?
Give me 1 sec. That's your number on those, right? 1,065. 22 is fair on that.
Yeah.
This, realistically, I would want to be at, let me see what the listings are. Okay, so if I put 300,
I'd be okay with that.
market, that's 2390. 2,200 on the box. It's 4,590. 3,700 trade.
What percentage? 8?
That's 80, yeah. 3,700.
What's this at?
3,800. Straight or 100. So 50 bucks. Middle point.
Yeah.
Cool. That's actually crazy. That's actually crazy how close that was. Bro, Brandon, his stuff was 3,700 trade, 3,800 for the set. Yeah, we're gonna flip 0 or 100. Oh, he's like, oh no. Everybody, the other, he wanted it too. He's not here.
Say 050 or 000?
0 100. So 50 middle point.
That's right.
So it's either gets a straight trade or 100 bucks. He gives me 100 bucks or a straight trade. Aloha. Hawaii PopCon is closing in 15 minutes. It is 5:46 p.m. Please pack your things, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be here for another 30 minutes though. All right, Zach wants the Kyogre Groudon Double Crisis Japanese set. Beautiful. He's gonna give us a bunch of cool stuff. We got 3 playing in the sea Pikachu cards. We got a Pikachu Zekrom, we got a little Eevee, a Clavapus, Jolteon and Eevee, Clavapus. We got a really cool surfing Pikachu, I haven't seen this one before. Got a little Reshiram, Swampert, Salamence, Muchwow, Typhlosion, beautiful Lily's Determination, PSA 10, and the Squirtle 10. And he's gonna give us the Unbroken Bonds booster box. He's taking the Kyogre Groudon, and he's either gonna give us $100 or it's gonna be straight trade. Heads, tails. Good luck, bro. Goated Pulls, $100, baby.
I think I beat you on one.
You haven't?
No.
Hey, things are equal in this world because I lost a lot of flips today. You're my lucky person. 16.5, 15.8? No, 16.5 is fair. That's under market. Market was 17.
It's like literally.
Last 2 comps? Yeah.
I'm paying you like 95%.
I'll flip up 16.5 if you want, like 100 or 200 or 300, whatever. I literally went out from 18 to fucking 16.5 for you to not waste your time.
Okay, 16.5, 16.2.
16.2, 16.2, 16.8.
No, come on.
16.3, 16.7.
For all the coin flips I lost to you, come on.
Okay, final number, 16.3, 16.5. Cash. Babe, I'm about to coin flip. He's gonna give me cash. 16,200 or 16,300 or 16,500. My fiance's Colombian, by the way. All right, coin flip with K&M Collectibles. He's taking the Japanese Shining Tyranitar and the first edition PSA 7 Shining Charizard. The camera missed you, bro.
It's been a while.
It's been a very while.
They're busy. I've been busy too, but.
That's good. All right, boss. Heads, tails.
Yep.
Call it in the air.
Yes,
16,300, 16,500.
Heads.
Give me tails! Oh, God. You cooked me? He always loses.
I thought about kicking it.
Oh. The amount of times I beat you is great.
I know.
This is all done, yeah.
Market is 31.23, 72% was 22.48, so I'll do 22.50. You want to flip? 22.23?
Yeah.
What was your name again?
Kaibo.
Kaibo?
Yeah.
All right.
My dad.
He's everybody's dad.
Yep.
He's the king of boto sandwiches.
Oh.
All right, we got 6 Shining Legends booster packs, and we got a bunch of slabs with graded guards.
No guards.
Is it? Yes, guards. Is it Kaibo?
Kaibo. Yep.
Oh, kind of like Kaiba, but Kaibo. Kaiba
Sure.
from Yu-Gi-Oh.
Yeah, but with a P instead of a B.
Oh,
cooler.
P.
Yeah, typo.
Okay, Kaipo. That's actually sick.
So big
All right, we got sequential set here. We got another sequential set of the starters by the windows. We got this Dragonite is nice with a swirl. This Oricorio is kind of cool. Oricorio, Greedent, Roaring Moon, Acerola, Inteleon Staff. I don't know why I'm buying that.
I like goodness of his heart.
Pikachu, Charizard, Moltres, Steelix, and Ralts.
And a bunch of.
Yeah, those 6 Shining Legends. 2,200, 2,300 coin flip. Ready, boss?
Yep.
Heads, tails.
Tails.
Call it in the air.
Tails.
Goated Pulls! 2,200. I know. That is the ugly ass nose, isn't it? There, wow. Perfect. Cheers.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro. All right, so I thought I was done with PopCon, but we got one more little deal left with Mr. Chaser 808.
Yeah.
He wants to sell me this beautiful Gyarados Gold Star PSA 8.5. We're gonna do a little coin flip. What do you want to do? I'm fine with 6K middle point. All right, 6K middle point is okay with me.
Yeah.
How much you want to flip? Like $100, $200?
Let's do 2.
So 58.62. Okay, let's do it. 5,800, 6,200 coin flip.
I don't got a
You have a coin?
I got a poker chip.
That'll do.
I got one hand, so there you go. So that's tails, that's heads.
Sounds good to me. All right, heads, tails. You want to call in the air?
Sure.
5,800, 6,200 for the Gyarados Gold Star PSA 8.5. 12/3. Heads. Goated Pulls! That was a little NPC delay. Goated Pulls. All right, bro.